Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome to my second video on this channel. My name's Carl. I'm a UI UX designer. I do graphic design as well. And I'm happy to be back after 5 years. Wow, incredible, huh? So I've been thinking of starting this new series where I practice design every day or almost every day. The purpose of this series is to beat perfectionism. I'm a huge perfectionist and I know a lot of you guys are like me too, where we don't start doing new stuff because we feel like we're not gonna make it perfect, so might as well just don't start it. So as a result, we don't improve anything and we hate ourselves in the process. So in order to avoid that, I've come up with this new challenge where I design small stuff every day, stuff that is not overwhelming. For example, like a snippet of a website or a small poster that's gonna be posted on Instagram, and we limit our work to just like 1 or 2 hours a day max, and don't try to make it over the top, just even if it sucks at first. If we keep practicing consistently over a period of time, then if we look back, we're gonna see that our skills have improved a lot. Yeah, that's the truth. I'm thinking of making this series into 30 episodes, one design every day. And those designs are gonna be posted on social media as well as Dribbble. So let's see how far I can go. And I encourage everyone to start this challenge too. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So first project, I've given myself a brief of a flower shop. So the client is a flower shop where they sell flowers online, and the customer can order from them to their address or their loved one's address, and they can customize like handwritten notes and custom packaging as well. What you see on the screen right now is the end result, and I'm gonna walk you guys through how I made it. First, what we're gonna do is to create a new artboard with the size of MacBook Pro and rename this to Hero section. And then we're gonna place a logo on the top center of the page, but we don't have an actual logo yet, so just place a placeholder for now. And then we're gonna create a 12 column grid because they are very versatile in creating different layouts. And we're gonna place it into center and 90 pixels width each. Next, we're going to test out different typefaces to see which ones work best together. So we have different types of text on our website, like the title, the description text, and the button text. So I chose Fairfax Display for the title because it looks kind of feminine and it suits our brand. So for the description text, I went with this font called Reenie Beanie, which is kind of a happy accident because I think it looks kind of almost close to real handwriting. Now I'm just playing around with different types of fonts and going back and forth with Google Fonts to choose which ones work best for the rest of the text. So I created this comparison into 4 blocks to see which combination works best for our website. And finally I found Reenie Beanie is the best font to mimic like the authentic handwriting style. Now here I am creating menu items like catalog, special, and location, and how to contact the shop like via call or email. Now I feel like the menu items and the other button texts don't work well with the handwriting font, so I'm choosing the Courier Prime font instead, which is kind of a typewriter font. Notice how I color my text for the links with a different color, like a pink color, and I'm making it into a style so that next time we assign an element to the style, we can change the style and it will affect all the elements that are assigned to that specific style. Now, one of the most important aspects of a hero section is the hero image. So I'm going to Unsplash to choose an appropriate image for our hero section. And I'll make sure that the image is not too distracting, and I like this image because it is kind of soft and natural and earthy. I don't know if you guys already know this, but I've got a trick that if you right click on an image and choose copy image and paste it directly on the artboard, it'll save you a lot of time in the process. Here I'm placing the image on the right 9 columns to give an order to the layout. I think a solid background behind the hero text block could improve readability to the user. While it's nice to have clean white background, I feel like we could add some more character and flavor to this design. So here I'm choosing a palm leaf texture to give more life to the background. And I found this lovely palm leaf image on Google, and I'm gonna convert it into a vector by going to Illustrator, track the image with silhouette option, click expand, and finally hit Shift X to swap colors between fill and outline of the shape. You can copy and paste directly from Illustrator to Figma. And now I'm going to test out which position of the leaf works best as a background. In order to bring an object to the back, you can just press Command Option and left square bracket. From this part on, I'm just going to play around with the color of the background, and I'm going to make a logo real quick on Illustrator. I'm not going to show you all the details of how I make the logo, because this video is more about Figma. So just sit back and watch me do it. Right, finally we have our logo on the website. Now I'm just gonna tweak a few more things before we finish. So the background of the car, I feel like a little bit brownish color would do well. And now again, I'm making a new global color for the text and the logo. I mean for the dark color, and name it dark. Now we can change it by clicking away out of the selection and then click on the icon on the right and adjust the color accordingly. I feel like this color works well. As you can see, changing the color only once affects all the elements that are attached to that style. Alright, I feel like our web page is done. All we gotta do is the final presentation, because we're not just gonna post it plainly on Dribbble and Instagram. We should make it a bit more interesting and engaging by adding some like background and make it pop a little. Here I'm making another frame outside of our original frame to make it like a surrounding background. And here we can repeat that palm leaf background and add some extra organic shapes using the pen tool to make it look more human and not plain boring. And now we can make the design pop a little more, literally, by making that card pop out of the website frame into the main frame. And we can put some effects like drop shadow. Yeah, we can do hard shadow, but with opacity of 25%. That would fit the aesthetic of our website. And finally, we are done. Congratulations! Thank you guys for sticking around with me till the end. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment, and follow me on Dribbble, Facebook, Instagram, wherever. I'm gonna be dropping the links in the description. Don't forget to follow me there. And until then, see you guys next time. Bye.